So I wanted to make a short video to show you how I imagine this exercise should work out. On the left-hand side, you see the instructions. There is a link here to the online lesson. When you open that, you find a little animation video and then a primer, which includes an introduction to 10-minute introduction to BPMN. Might be quite useful reminder. Then something even shorter about message flows, and then there is the demonstration. There are two videos here. I'm just going to click on the left one, and as instructed, you should open YouTube.
Google Career Certificates provide online job training that's fast and
Be
flexible.
inspired by Google Careers, and then this movie
In this
opens.
first tutorial, we'll use innovative
I'm going to go a little
analysts
bit
to
ahead
create and select a new diagram. The diagram from this
and
palette
start
left-hand corner.
alongside here before I go to the other side.
Process
Okay, so
referring simply to the left.
yeah, he starts with a pool, and on the right-hand side, I'm logging in on into Signavio, and I go to my public folder. This is exactly what you should do, except not go to my folder, but to your own folder. Now I go to New. I look for Business Process Diagram BPM 2.0. A new drawing board opens, and I can now start with my process. Start exactly the same way he starts here, namely drag a pool into my drawing board and name it, I think, applicant. This is something I may have to correct later.
Layout of the items within it.
Process
and you'll notice that
definition.
it's gone straight into rename word mode, and we'll set that name of that process to be apply for job.
Yeah, and so this is the name of the process.
Expand its width.
Apply for
At the
job.
moment. So initially, we're going to look just at the happy path, the straightforward route
Yeah,
through
it's talking
this
about the
process.
happy path. You
So
hear
we'll
it.
start by adding a start event.
Yeah, this is exactly what we need to do. So basically, I've opened this sidebar here on the left-hand side. You will probably not be able to do it just with core elements, so you may have to go and open the complete elements. The price to be paid here is that it just takes longer to find stuff in the beginning, but it should all be, with your background, it should be possible to identify this. So you would start the whole process by dragging a start event in here. And now, just like with EPCs, you can develop the entire diagram from here. Let's have a look how he keeps going.
And when an item is selected, you'll often see to the right of it some bubbles which allow us to create additional items.
So his editor is
I
not
click and
quite as
drag
developed
the
as
button for
ours.
sequence flow.
He has
And I
to
let go, I'm prompted to create an event task gateway or sub-process.
yeah.
And we'll add a first task here, which is to
Okay, so we're going to do a task, and then the rest I will leave to you.
application.
Okay, create application. So I'm going to do this and call it create application. Yeah, and all the rest I leave to you. I hope this helps you get started. Don't forget at the end or anytime in the middle to save your diagram. When you save it, this is what you could do, just like we did in class. You can review. I have no errors. In fact, there is a big error. I just should show you this diagram is not finished. There is a hanging task, but obviously the spell checker doesn't recognize that. Anyway, for now, I'm going to save this to continue later.